Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a couple of items that I use a lot and perhaps they will also save you when you're working on your car. The first item I have on my list is this one. This is the magnet. This magnet is really something I will recommend you to have. Sometimes when you work on the engine, more likely you will drop a lot of items, and when you drop those items, some of them may go into a very tight area. With this magnet, it's easier to reach there and pull up anything that you might drop. It's really helped me on rescuing a lot of items. Could be a bolt, could be maybe another plier that I'm using. This one really comes handy and saves me a lot of time. The next on my list is this pry tool. This, oh my god, let me open it. You will see what I'm talking about. This is a complete set of everything, every single item you might need when you are working with plastic stuff. What does this tool mirror? I have a very compelling opinion on why this is so important for people working on the cars. I was working on retrofitting the rear mirror view with the carbon fiber cover. And the mistake that I made, and which also a lot of people are making this mistake, when they are removing the mirror cover, they usually use something that is smaller, like this one, very small. You can see how small this is, or maybe this might be too fancy, but they will use something like this one. You can see how small this one is, and also it's not really strong, it's too flexible. And they will try to pry to remove the mirror, because you have to get behind the mirror to remove the screw which covers the mirror cover. You have to get access to that. Unfortunately, using this or even this one, you will break the mirror, will definitely damage the mirror, and that will cost you another $100 or maybe even more if you go to get the OEM one. This is actually what you need when you want to remove the mirror cover. Add this on your list of items and save yourself a lot of trouble. The last item on my list, and it's actually my favorite, perhaps you can forget the first two that I mentioned and only get this last one, and this is the Jackpot Adapter. Get yourself this Jackpot Adapter, and I will encourage you to get the one that is made out of rubber instead of aluminum. That's all I had for you guys today. Let me know in the comments, which item do you think a BMW owner should get, and which is really like a key item they should get, they should add in the toolbox. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get something out of this. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.